注意，由於本站現正進行冷氣系統改善工程，站內溫度會略為上升，敬請原諒。Your attention please. Work is being carried out on the air conditioning system. We would like to apologize for any difference you may experience in the air temperature. Thank you.
往荃灣列車即將到達，請先讓車上乘客落車。前往前方的列車即將到達，請先讓車上的乘客下車。The train to Chengwan is arriving. Please let passengers exit first.